And we back with another video, guys. Your boy Kayzano, and I'm here with
Casey.
And
both those them.
Alright, so guys, as you can see, Nastina Poptain. Sota.
Soldering.
Sota the teens.
Sota. Suiting. Sota.
So I'm pretty sure most of you guys have heard this song because these are my live performance. It's like I would just want to see the video and yeah, to more vibe to the song. So without further ado, guys, please like, share, subscribe. Go subscribe to my boy's channel. Go subscribe to the vlog channel. And without further ado, let's get into the video. Let's get it.
Mugaringiro ne upenyu iwe chingogadzira yako menyu. Show them they can do what nobody can do. Hapana chito pa kutsvaka saka gwendu. Wangu chingo sota, sota, sota. Wangu chingo sota. Tedzera masports pa kusota, sota, sota. Usatarise asotwa. Wangu chingo sota, sota, sota. Wangu chingo sota. Tedzera
what was the name of that video? The one they did by Parasunda. That's what team actually.
And I like how he involves a lot of people in his videos.
My youthies, my
exactly. You really find artists doing this.
Youth empowerment.
Yeah.
Poptain.
He likes getting his fans involved. Those are not get about.
I need to my dance. I need waist movement, waist control.
I don't want to do it all.
Sports papu sota, sota, sota. Usatarise cha shota. Septikira. Be a Mr. Fix things, get the thing done. Laziness is something that we no condone. Who say me fi beg you if I no pardon. Silly if you don't think me is your carbon. Sabe we kuta imira mikana. Chingo gara wango waka we gado. Kana we kuta imira minana. Pamwe uri kuto sangiro ne upenyu. Iwe chingo gatira yako menyu. Show them they can do what nobody can do. Hapana chito pa kuchaka saka gwendu. Wangu chingo sota, sota, sota. Wangu chingo sota. Tedzera masports pa kusota, sota, sota. Usatarise asotwa. Wangu chingo sota, sota, sota. Wangu chingo sota. Tedzera masports pa kusota, sota, sota. Usatarise.
Madans everywhere.
Mira kutara kusota chiya. Kana
ndo kusota sotaring sota.
It would divisa kutara kusota kwe kumabasa chichi.
Akukwatikuya kubasa futhi. Kubasa. You need to sota. As you see us now sotere. You need to sota. Sota bro. Back to the video.
Tedzera masports pa kusota, sota, sota. Usatarise cha shota. Andavari mabatra kafa kana fridge ya kafa. Tingo kaniki munu chete. Dirima essential guava zero script to twaga. Tingo shadi.
Essential guava.
My suitings.
No, I like the message in this song, guys.
Sota!
And whatever you're doing, whatever hustle you're doing, Sota. Yeah, and there's no basa no Sota. You Sota. Exactly.
Yeah.
Andiri change chete. To sota, sota. Kutitizo famle one muta. Atira rekane ya kashota. Zuvari chibuda katotuta. Mugari niro ne upenyu. Iwe jingo gadzira ya.
Mira. Because the song goes like this, and you know high. You know what? You
want Sota.
Yo, chicha wangoshta.
Play.
Mugari niro ne upenyu. Iwe jingo gadzira yako menyu. Show them they can do what nobody can do.
Sota.
Manakire.
Asuta madani.
Asuta
madani. Ono zombi.
Iwe jingo gadzira yako menyu. Show them they can do what nobody can do. Hapana chito pa kuchaka saka gwendu. Wangu chingo sota, sota, sota. Wangu chingo sota. Tedzera masports pa kusota, sota, sota. Usatarise asotwa.
on this guy, guys.
I know Sota.
His vibe, his energy. Yo, chero wakaona usuna ke ne madanza ake amenotichi.
Sota Poptain.
And the thing is, guys, his songs are catchy, but have a message.
Message too, yeah.
Anokupaka ka hope, ka motivation.
That.
Wana
Sunda.
Chisota. But shout out to Poptain. That was a dope song, dope video. I like how you putting people, your fans in, like my youth, whatever.
Yeah, what you Sota my dance.
Tada mbopindo video mako Poptain. Shout out. One
like,
video, next one.
Tumboro.
Tumbora that is to Sota.
Tumboro release ramango wise. Pango to biro my dance.
Tino edo my dance. To Sota. So Poptain.
Hit us up. But that's it for the video, guys. Hope you like it. Please like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to go subscribe to my boy's channel. It's your boy Kayzano. I'm here with